Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I am making chicken tandoori samosa. This crispy samosa is filled with flavorful tandoori style chicken, making it a perfect snack for tea time, parties or iftar. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add 1/3 cup water gradually and make a firm dough. Samosa is one of the most popular snacks. Crispy samosas are commonly served during tea time and celebration. Keep the dough aside. Now prepare the filling. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 1 cup chicken pieces, half teaspoon garlic, half teaspoon ginger, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon tandoori masala, half teaspoon garam masala. Mix well and cook for about 2 minutes. Tandoori spices give a smoky and rich flavor to dishes. Now add 2 tablespoons onion, 2 green chilies. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until water dries out. Add coriander leaves and keep the filling aside. Cook the chicken filling until completely dry. Now take small portion of dough. Use firm dough so the samosa stays crispy. Roll it out. Fold in the middle and cut as shown. Take one piece and seal one edge. The triangular shape of samosa makes it easy to hold and enjoy. Add the cooked chicken filling. Spread a little water on the edges and fold to make the samosa shape. Seal the edges with a fork. Fry the samosas in medium heated oil for 7 to 8 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for evenly cooked samosas. Chicken is a great source of protein. Homemade samosas allow better control of oil and spices. Spices like cumin and coriander support digestion. Fresh herbs and flavor add nutrients. Your crispy chicken tandoori samosa is ready. Serve hot with ketchup, chutney or your favorite dip. Try this recipe at home and share your experience in the comments. Follow Innovative Foods for more delicious snack recipes.